Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to another video. I want to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is the channel where we talk about my top stocks. We also talk about business ventures. We also talk about cryptocurrency from time to time. Okay, so today's my Sunday video. We're going to talk about the top stocks, but we're also going to talk about stocks that are on the earnings call. Okay, so just to quickly recap, Friday, we had the top stock ChargePoint. ChargePoint CHPT was up 13%. Ford Motor Company was up 2%. AMD was up 2%. And SoFi was up 3%. And another EV stock, Blink Charging Station, was up 9.63. So I own a little bit of ChargePoint, which was up 13%. And I also own some Blink, up 9.63%. Both are up this week after it was announced that the federal government will be providing some funding for EV charging and EV applications. Okay, so that includes Ford as well and some of the other legacy automakers. Okay, but today's video, we're going to talk about the earnings call coming up. We have two stocks reporting this week. Walmart reporting on the 16th. So that's Tuesday, and Home Depot reporting on the 16th as well. Next week, Nvidia will report on the 24th. So keep your eye out on these three stocks, and we're going to talk about them now. Okay, so Nvidia stock on Friday was up slightly, 4.27%. And the stock has been down for quite a while. So if we look at the last 3 months, stock was flat. If we look at the last year, the stock has been down over a little over, let's see, 4.35%. So it was trading at a high of $190, and excuse me, it was trading at a high of $315, but it's now trading at a little over $187 per share. So the stock has come down quite a bit from its high of $300 something per share. But Nvidia is one of the #1 chip makers. They partner with Tesla and many other automakers with AI, artificial intelligence, and help with data sources, even for gaming as well. So stock did trade down over last year, but it's still a great chip company. So look out next week for Nvidia to report on their earnings. They'll be talking about revenue. They'll be talking about profits. They'll be talking about earnings per share. And also they will be giving the forecast for the next 3 to 4 months. So that is Nvidia next week. They will report on the 24th. The next stock we'll talk about today is Home Depot. Home Depot is the #1 home improvement company. Stock currently trades around $314, and on Friday the stock was up 1.35%. Now it does have a 52-week high of $420. So just like many of the stocks that were up during the pandemic, they've received a haircut. Okay, if you look back at Home Depot for the year, they are down 22%. Now, one of the good parts about Home Depot is people will not stop building homes, and they will not stop improving their home, whether it's a kitchen remodel or a bathroom remodel or a back deck remodel or pool being built. Home Depot will be there for you. So they do pay a 2.41% dividend. They are also based out of Atlanta, Georgia, and have been around since 1978. Okay, this is Home Depot, one of the #1 home improvement companies. They are probably ahead of Lowe's, but again, Home Depot, a great premium dividend of 2.41%. So I think this is still a great time to pick up some Home Depot, considering it's down a little over 22% since January at the beginning of the year. And of course, people will continue to improve their homes. And even with the construction still going on in the real estate market, this company will still continue to thrive. Okay, so they will be having earnings call this Tuesday, and Home Depot will let you know how they intend to get back to this $400 per share or even higher. So that's Home Depot. Again, they will report earnings call on this Tuesday. The next stock we'll talk about is Walmart. Walmart is American Multinational Retail Corporation. Some of its competitors are people like Target, and they are headquartered out of Bentonville, Arkansas. Now, Walmart does pay a dividend as well, 1.69%. They have a 52-week high of $160 and a 52-week low of $117. Now, Walmart is a company that kind of has fallen behind of Amazon, Amazon being the largest e-commerce where people can order online. And Walmart has been competitive over recent years, moving more toward an e-commerce way, but they still have the legacy stores that still generate a lot of revenue. But Walmart has kind of been fixed at this, 130s. If you look at the stock over last year, it's down a little bit, considering like 9%. But overall, Walmart is not a growing company. It is $1 billion company. They did $572 billion last year, and they will continue to make this money. They do compete with companies like Target and Amazon, as I mentioned earlier, but they will not have probably the profits and the same situations as a lot of companies on the retail side, such as Target and Walmart, have a lot of open inventory. Okay, so they're dealing with those issues, partially part of the supply chain issues and part of over ordering. Walmart is in a tough space this year. Okay, but again, they'll probably still have good revenue for the quarter, and then we'll see how they do for their forecast. And also, Wall Street analysts will be following up with questions on how they intend on fixing the situation. Okay, let's see some of the articles. The investing game plan this week as retail giants and Walmart report. That's CNBC, so you can check that out. And also Yahoo Finance, ready for Q2 earnings, key things to note. So those are places where you can get valuable information about Walmart, and also check out their earnings call this Tuesday. Let's see. Also check out investor relations on Walmart.com, stock.walmart.com, where you can get valuable information about the previous earnings call, previous quarter, about revenue and sales. Okay, and then once they post it, it will be listed under its presentations. You can get all that information on the quarterly report here. View all the quarterly reports if you'd like, and Walmart will tell you about how well they did in the previous quarter of 2022. And they always have the presentation broken down where you can see, okay, how well Walmart did, building value and building the yearly guidance of the company. You can get all that information on walmartstock.com. Check it out. I'll leave the link below so you can get more information about Walmart and how they did in the previous quarter and how they're doing over the next coming years. So it looks like they have some projections here. But again, Walmart is a great company, multi-billion-dollar company that will continue to exist. But whether they will continue to fall behind the likes of Amazon or Shopify or Target is yet to be seen. So this was just a quick overview of 3 companies that will report coming up this week: Walmart, Home Depot, and Nvidia. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share. And if you'd like to get some more information about these companies, I will leave the investor relations below. and we'll see you on the next video. Good night.